David and Jenny Banfield have owned and operated a successful electronics importing and distribution business for almost 30 years. It's been their passion, their life, and their retirement plan. They're both now in their mid-50s, and David and Jenny are starting to make serious plans for an active and comfortable early retirement. But for now, they know they have a few more years at work before they transition the business to 26-year-old daughter Kylie, who also happens to be their sales and marketing manager. And David and Jenny have hopes that their oldest, Cameron, will join the business as part of their family succession plan. Cameron's smart, but he's an independent spirit, always wanting to do his own thing. But David and Jenny keep pushing for him to leave his job in creative arts to become general manager of the business. But for all their concerns over Cameron's ways, life is still looking pretty bright for the Banfield family. How could anything go wrong? Well, it did. Cameron decided he needed a week-long surfing sabbatical with his mates. The swells were great, but he didn't see the underwater rock ledge. The fall left him unconscious with fractured vertebrae and unable to walk indefinitely. The police and paramedics said he was lucky not to drown. But he has a long road to recovery, and there will be some permanent physical and emotional damage.
David and Jenny were well planned out for semi-retirement, and their retirement position was certainly looking very healthy. But Cameron's accident changed everything for them. Yes, Cameron was part of their succession plan for the business, but more than that, they now had an adult son in a dysfunctional marriage, needing a lot of rehabilitation on his injuries, ongoing care, and no insurance to cover his loss of income. David and Jenny aren't winding back from work anytime soon. They're certainly not thinking about retirement now. Most of everything they had saved towards their retirement is now going towards Cameron's medical costs and to cover his family's mortgage and cost of living. And the accident has only fueled Cameron and Belinda's strained partnership, potentially raising legal and guardianship issues for them. So because Cameron, free spirit that he is, didn't have private health cover or any type of personal insurance, lifestyle for everyone in the Banfield family has suddenly become, well, very modest.
We all want our children to grow up responsible and independent adults, but sometimes they need a little guidance. You shouldn't have to be the financial backup plan for your adult children if something happens to them. So having that conversation with them about insurance protection is really important. If the message isn't getting quite through, don't discount the option of covering the cost of their life and disability insurance premiums, even if it's just to get them started. So for a reasonably small investment, it could give you a lot of peace of mind and even protect your own financial well-being and retirement nest egg.
Given the longevity here at the Peak Partnership, we've certainly worked with a lot of families over the years. We're used to working with multi-generational issues, and it's a real positive experience when we sit down with parents and their adult kids to talk about their longer-term financial goals and how personal protection strategies can suit their particular needs. We'd be more than happy to help your family too.